Guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the 2021 Paper 1 Math Methods External Exam question 7. So in this video I'll be walking through how to solve this question individually and breaking down some things here. Now you would have also noticed I've started splitting up the questions into individual videos. This is because pretty much some people might only struggle with a couple questions, so rather than watching the entire exam video, you could probably just watch a couple of videos, etc., depending on what you got wrong, what you didn't get wrong, etc. there, okay? The full exam video is still up on YouTube. The link is in the description below, so if you want to check out the full video, be my guest as well. I've also made a custom exam pack for the Math Methods External Prep, so if you want to check out that one, that is the link in the description as well below. It'd be pretty helpful if you've run our past papers to practice. So let's take a look at question 7 here, okay? So this one has to be done without a calculator, okay? Now this integral should be pretty easy to evaluate. Now, the reason why anyone would get this one wrong is if, one, they didn't know how to integrate, and two, they've practiced all the integration with their calculator, okay? So before we do anything, all we're going to do is integrate the inside there using the power rule. So the power rule basically says if you have something like this, you add 1 to the power, and then you divide by the new power. Now, we're not going to worry about plus c here because of the bounds here, but just note if there were no bounds, you would have to add a constant of integration at the end, okay? So here, the 2x will turn to 2x squared over 2 because the initial power here was 1, so plussing 1 gives you 2, and then we're dividing by 2 there. Now, if you're integrating a constant, all you have to do is attach an x there because 3 is the same as like 3x0 because x0 would be 1. So if we add 1 to the power there, you get x, and then divide by 1 gives you that. That's why you can just attach an x there when you're integrating, okay? Alright, so now as well, if you have any questions at all during the video, leave something in the comments and I'll try my best to answer it. Once we've done that, all we have to do is, I would probably just simplify it. So for example, I would cancel out those 2's there and just make that x squared. Then that's a little bit easier probably to handle, okay? Now, then you would chuck in your bounds. You're going to chuck in the upper bound first, okay? Now, always write it out fully, even if there is a 0 there, because sometimes a 0 might turn into a 1 if it's exponential. Now, in this case here, we have 2 numbers, so it wouldn't matter, but just know with other examples. So here we'll have 3 squared plus 3 times by 3. Subtract, then chuck in the 1, so it's going to be 1 squared plus 3 times by 1, something like that. So here, 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. So you have 9 plus 9. Subtract, that will be 1 plus 3. So here you've got basically 18, subtract 4. So 18 minus 4, which gives you 14. So the correct answer here would be C. Would this be an easy question on the external? Absolutely. This one should probably take less than a minute. The only reason this took me a bit is because I'm explaining each step. But if you did get this one wrong, you need to practice basic integration with bounds and try and doing it without a calculator as well, okay? Again, if you want access to the full exam, the link is in the description below. If you want a custom exam bundle, that is also in the description below. That would be very helpful if you've run out of external exams to practice. It's just an extra resource. It's a full external exam with full worked solutions. It's about 35 to 40 pages long, so it's very worth it, I would say. And I'm also going to be making one for specialists soon. I think it should be up very shortly as well. Okay. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.